The advancement of oil and gas exploration activities, coupled with the ambitious green hydrogen initiatives underway in the Garas region, positions Lüderitz as a critical hub in both the regional and global energy transition. This connection of long-standing traditional industries with new and emerging sectors presents both opportunity and responsibility. It calls upon all of us, the government, the private sector, the communities and development partners, to act with foresight, to act with coordination, and to coordinate, and an unwavering commitment to inclusivity. We must ensure that this transformation is not exclusive, but inclusive, not concentrated, but widely shared. Local communities must not remain observers of change taking place around them. They must be empowered as active participants, beneficiaries, and co-creators of the new economic platforms. In this regard, the annual Lüderitz Crayfish Festival is far more than a cultural event. It is a strategic economic platform.